Hello everybody, it's Chris from the Gunpla Network, and it's time for your first Gunpla Network news for 2019. We have a short list of kits this time around, but we have some interesting items here. So to start off, we have Bandai releasing a possible HG1144 Revived Destiny picture on their Twitter account. Next up, we have the HGBD1144 Gundam Zerachiel. It will be released February of 2019 with a price of 2,700 yen. Next, we have the HGUC 1144 Gustav Karl. This will be released February of 2019 with a list price of 2,592 yen. Then we have the P Bandai MG1100 GM Canon Zeta version. This will be released March of 2019 with a list price of 4,320 yen. And lastly, we have the P Bandai HGUC 1144 Neo Zeong 2 NT version. This will be released February of 2019 with a price of 28,080 yen. And now it's time for your top 5 builds of Gunpla Network. And in 5th place, we have Alexei Urshov and his custom MSM-04 AC guy. In 4th place, we have Michael Lee and his gray and purple Plan 303E Deep Striker. In 3rd place, we have Katanyu Panu and their Haro Volt. In 2nd place, we have Bruno Rosa and his MG Zeta 2.0 custom. And in 1st place, we have Gerald A. William and his HGUC GM Sniper 2 USP Urban Survival Package. Congratulations goes to Gerald for winning 1st place. And now it's time for your Gunpla Network updates. We have a bunch of brand new YouTube videos. We have a Gunpla Pod Special Anime Edition with special guest the Crow-sama. We have a Christmas special behind the scene, Harry Dodd's Gunpla Room Tour. We have an episode of the Gunpla Insider with Jordan Neidert, custom Gunpla artist, winner of Judge's Choice GBWC USA 2018. We have an unboxing of the high-grade 1144 Hazel Custom. We have another Christmas special behind the scene, Danik's Office Gunpla Room Tour. We have another episode of the Gunpla Insider Holiday Special hosted by Joshua Dara and Scott Tiller. We have a teaser for a new show coming up. We have a first look in lore at the HG 1144 Hazel Custom. We have an update for the GN Xmas Giveaway 2018 winners. And we have the Late Night Gunpla show with our very own Harry Dodds, doing a HG 1144 GM Guard custom makeover. To see some of the greatest custom kits, head over to our Instagram page. For all the fresh Gunpla news, head over to gunplanetwork.com. And for one of the greatest Facebook communities, check out our Facebook group. That's it for your Gunpla Network news for January 8, 2019. And as usual, keep building!